Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this German for Beginners A1 course, Lesson 11, we are going to learn the names of 12 months in German. I'm your mentor Joseph Volt will be with you and together we will try to learn. And before we proceed, please try to pay heed to the pronunciation so that you can get it properly. In order to learn German properly and also to complete a A1 course, we need to know them. So let's start. The first month is January, as you all know, and in German we say Januar. Januar. It is not Januar, but it's Januar. The second one is February, and we call it as Februar. Februar. March, März, März, April, 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 May, Mai, Mai, June, Juni, Juni, July, Juli, Juli, August, 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 September, 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 October, 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 November, 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 December, December, December. And for you all guys, I'm just going to repeat it once again. January as Januar, February, Februar, March, März, April, April, May, Mai, June, Juni, July, Juli, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. And congratulations, you now know the names of 12 months of German year. And notes. Please practice properly and contact me on the comment box if you face any problem. If you have missed our previous lesson, then check it from the end screen and from the description too. And I hope you all will be with German Lehrer and watch our next video. Subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.